Okay, meron tayong 4D dito. Parang 2 sport eh. Ayaw mag-start, ayaw mag-on. Bato. Parang problema. So yan, turn on. Ayan, turn on. Start natin. Parking aid, malfunction, service required. Ayan, ayaw talaga oh. Ayaw mag-click. Okay, kita natin ng pang sira. Okay, scan completed pagkarami. Ayan. So, 1K erasure muna tayo. Yung natira lang ang atin. Okay? Kung sinong matira, yun ang atin. Okay, pass ko na, pass. Uy, pass. Yun, parking aid module. Yan ang natira. Pasukin natin yan. Red full ko tayo dyan. Invalid data received from TCN anti-lock system is yun o. Uy, kulay green yun ah. Kamilang ayan, basta tumawid. So ito yung upgrade part assist module. Ayan. Para sa akin wala namang problema, wala namang sunod to. Wala ka problema lang to sa walang supply. Kasi hindi nasusuplayan ng ano to. Pa-shifted. Bakit siya nito? Hindi naman basta-basta to. Pero kung ano, yan ang bibili natin. Just in case na wala talaga. Uy! Umandar na pala? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Okay, failed yung result. So kabit muna namin yung sensor doon kasi yung intake pala para maka-fully depress kami. Alright, so I'll be doing resetting for this shift selector because what happened, it won't start the engine because of this one. The shift selector on this one is look like a magnet flywheel in there inside, and before you're going to set up the one, you need to put this thing here so that it will align on this your selector, and this selector should be put select in this D for the drive. Okay, so after that, if we are already in the setup on that, and then we will do the relearning, because what happened if you did not timing this one, the engine won't run or you get a problem in the transmission. Alright, so we are working Ford with Duratorque engine and with PowerShift DCT automatic transmission. Alright. Okay, the moment of truth. So last time this part is not going like the color orange. So now let's try if we have a good selection switch, neutral, reverse, park. Alright, that's it. And we have also a selection for the sports now. Last time it's only for this drive, nothing here in sport. So what I just do is retiming this selector switch. Let's go up here. So we'll see this one. Get the selector switch there, and I'm retiming it, and then that's how it goes. So I'm gonna put it back and put some oil and fluid on it, and let's have a try. Alright, that's it. Okay, so what we got here, ships only D perform stock up. So I need to take this one off because it's not shifting there. This one I got already shifting there. See this one? Reverse, neutral, drive, and sport. So that's good because it lights up now. Reverse, neutral, drive, sport. So that's good. So this one is rectified. So I need to delete the one. No. Oh, the other one is not rectified yet. But anyway, I already come up with that and do the summary scanning. For the AVS, we run the cars without the car is hanging, so should be clear now. Alright, we already cleared it, and we will do since we try to let's see demand test. Let's do that one, see how it goes. So it's done, no fault code present. So what I'm going to do now is do some calibration. Oh, there's a pull transmission. Try it again. Auto shift manual data learning not done. Okay, we will do this one. So we will do this auto shift because what happened, we changed we repaired this module, and the previous owner, this one is changing this transmission, so it needs to be learned. So transmission, okay, complete. Report procedure completed. Okay, press release the brake and accelerator pedal. Okay, set the ignition off. Okay, please wait for 20 seconds. Hopefully this thing all goods now. I hope because I've been, it's not like a month now just to complete this job. Chip port system learned successfully. Okay, test drive tayo mga angkol. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Sana nga hindi na magka-problema. Hindi kasi nag-shift to eh. Sana nga mag-shift lang. Yes, it's good. Yes, shifting now. I hope this one is good. Shift. Looks like the car is now driving well. Yeah. Yes. Awesome. That's good.